Hey lawyers, Mary Cary here. This video is about building a video studio in a law firm in Illinois. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. So here I am today on my deck in Sausalito, California, and I ordered all of the gear for this law firm studio, and they sent me pictures to be sure that I could see that all the gear actually showed up. But even when you know that the gear showed up and you've ordered the right things, sometimes things just don't connect properly. So my studio is right down there in case you ever want to come film with us. And I'm going to run down there in a few minutes and just grab some extra sound gear. I think I'm going to bring extra connectors in case the connectors aren't quite right that came from B&H Photo Video. So this is the extra stuff that I'm going to bring. This Lumix camera does a really nice depth of field. So I'm also bringing my Sennheiser lavalier mics. This is a field recorder. So there it is. There's my backup stuff. Okay, so this is the one I ordered, and it doesn't go in, it's the wrong, so luckily I brought mine, which is this, which goes into that. It takes a day ahead of time to really set everything up. I got my headphones, the camera is absolutely what I was hoping it was going to be, the green screen looks great. I did a little test piece of footage that's kind of funny because a dog walked in while I was doing it. My name is Mike Glisten. There is a dog in the green screen. Give it your head nod. Okay. Give it your Brad Pitt. You know.
Okay. Yeah. You're injured. You don't want to have to call a lawyer.
If I were injured, I'd want to call this guy. Here's what his footage is going to look like when it's all edited. Having some inspiration? Let's take your project from a dream to reality. Email me right now. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.